All right, guys. So today we're gonna be getting this outlet out flush with the wall. As you can see, it's recessed back into the wall. We're gonna be using these Shim My Box spacers from Racketeers, and I'm also gonna be using the ratcheting 15-in-1 multi-tool from Klein Tools. As you can see here, all the bits are in the bottom. And the last thing I'll be using is these large diagonal side cutters from Klein. They got a little water on them the other day. I've got some rust, sorry. These are from Klein Tools. And here we go. First, you'll start by removing the screws in the cover. This one only has one in it. Then you'll remove the screws in the light switch itself. So bear with me just a second. While I'm doing this, be a good time for y'all to go down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, if you want to support our channels, clicking subscribe is the best way to support our channel. We do this for you guys. Hopefully, this will save you some money, maybe keep you a little safer, but be greatly appreciated. All right, that's the last screw. Now that you've got all the screws out, you want to grab your light switch and pull it out from the wall, just like that. And I'm not disconnecting anything here. No reason to mess with the wiring. You take your Shim My box, hold it against the front of the switch box, make you a mark or hold the spot. And then you're going to take your diagonal cutters or scissors or whatever you got, and you're going to cut it right where your mark is that's flush with the wall. That's where I cut that at, was flush with the wall. So again, we'll slide my finger up there, and that's where I'm going to cut it. And boom, just cut it off. Now that you've got your spacers, the rest is actually pretty easy. So I'm just going to take a screw, one of those screws, and I'm going to stick it inside that spacer. So first your screw goes through your switch, then you put your spacer on. We'll do the same for the bottom. Once you have your spacers on, you're ready to reinstall your switch. So you're just going to line up your screws with your holes and tighten them in. And I really love this ratcheting multi-tool from Klein. It's great for this. All right, now you're just going to tighten that up until your switch is now flush with your wall. You don't have to worry about if you cut your spacers a little bit too long because they will squish. They're kind of soft. So you actually want to cut it a little bit long and then make it extra tight to bring it back to flush. So as you can see here with this top one, it was a little long, but I'm just going to tighten it till it's flush. Now that you got that done, all you got to do is put your cover on and you're good to go. I like to get my screws perfectly straight. There you go. Now you have a flush switch. It is not recessed in the wall. Links for all these tools will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.